How to add recipient on Remitly. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add recipient on Remitly. For this, you want to open the Remitly application on your device. If you don't have this application, make sure to download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you open the application, sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the recipients option. Once you get here, tap on the Add option at the top right corner of your screen. Now, to add a new recipient, you will have to enter all of these details. So start by entering the recipient's contact information, such as the first name. After that, enter the last name. Now, you want to enter the mobile phone number, which is optional. After that, you want to enter the recipient's email address. Once that is done, enter the recipient's street address, city, and state. After this, you want to enter the reason for sending. Tap on this drop-down menu and select the reason. Once that is done, you want to tap on the Save option. And once that is done, the new recipient will be successfully added. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.